Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious blue cheese sauce for steak. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of your favorite crumbled blue cheese, 1/4 cup of rich heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavor. Having everything ready makes the process quick and easy. Now, let's start cooking. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of butter in a small saucepan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and sauté it gently for about 1 minute until it becomes fragrant, but not browned. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Stir continuously and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, ensuring it doesn't boil vigorously. Once your cream is simmering, reduce the heat to low. Now, it's time for the star ingredient. Gently stir in 1/2 cup of your crumbled blue cheese. Whisk constantly until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce achieves a wonderfully smooth and creamy consistency. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, season with a pinch of black pepper. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning if necessary, perhaps adding a tiny bit more pepper. Your delicious blue cheese sauce is now ready to enjoy. Serve it warm, generously drizzled over your perfectly cooked steak. The rich, tangy flavor of the blue cheese beautifully complements the savory notes of the meat. This versatile sauce also pairs wonderfully with grilled chicken, roasted vegetables, or even as a dip for crispy fries. Any leftover sauce can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.